My name is Yamini Churi, roll number MB21024, class FIMMS, subject Financial Accounting, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is Accounting Standard. Definition of Accounting Standard. The uniform, definite, in universally accepted accounting rules developed by International Accounting Standard Committee are known as accounting standard. According to Ghosh, accounting standard can be defined as the policy document issued by the recognized expert accountancy body relating to various aspects of measurements, treatments, and disclosure of accounting transaction and event. Where and when it is used. The accounting standard used in the United States is generally accepted accounting principles. The Securities and Exchange Commission ensure that all listed companies as well as certified accounting professionals adhere to these principles when preparing financial statement. Advantage of accounting standard. First, attains uniformity in accounting. Accounting standard provides rules for standard treatment and recording of transaction. They even have a standard format for financial statements. There are steps in achieving uniformity in accounting methods. Second, improve reliability of financial statement. There are many stakeholders of a company and they rely on the financial statement for their information. Many of these stakeholders base their decision on the data provided by this financial statement. Then there are also potential investors who make their investment decision based on such financial statement. Third, prevent frauds and accounting manipulations. Now the accounting standard lay down all the accounting policies, rules, regulation, etc. in a written format. These policies have to be followed, so if an auditor checks that the policies have been correctly followed, he can be assured that the financial statements are true and fair. 4. Assist auditors. Now the accounting standard lay down all the accounting policies, rules, regulation, etc. in a written format. These policies have to be followed. So if an auditor checks that the policies have been correctly followed, he can be assured that the financial statements are true and fair. 5. Comparability. This is another major objective of accounting standard. Since all entities of the country follow the same set of standards, their financial accounts become comparable to some extent. The users of the financial statement can analyze and compare the financial performance of various companies before taking any decision. Also, two statements of a same company from different year can be compared. This will show the growth curve of the company to the users. 6. Determining managerial accountability. The accounting standard helps to measure the performance of the management of an entity. It can help measure the management's ability to increase profitability, maintain the solvency of the firm, and other such important financial duties of the management. Limitation of accounting standard. There are few limitations of accounting standard as well. The regulatory bodies keep updating the standard to restrict these limitations. First, difficulty between choosing alternatives. There are alternatives for certain accounting treatments or valuation. Like for example, stock can be valued by LIFO, FIFO, weighted average method, etc. So, choosing between these alternatives is a thorough decision for a management. The accounting standard does not provide guideline for the appropriate choice. Second, restricted scope. Accounting standard cannot override the law or the statuses. They have to be framed within the confines of the law prevailing at the time. That can limit their scope to provide the best policies for the situation. List of accounting standard. First, disclosure of accounting policies. Accounting Standard 1 deals with the disclosure of significant accounting policies followed in preparing and presenting financial statements by way of a separate statement. Notes forming part of such financial statement to facilitate meaningful comparison of financial statements of different enterprises and periods. As Accounting Standard Valuation of account inventories. This standard deals with the determination of value at which inventories are carried in the financial statement, including the ascertainment of cost of inventories and any written down thereof to net realizable value. Accounting Standard 3 Cash Flow Statement. This standard deals with the provision of information about the historical changes in cash and cash equivalent of an enterprise by means of a cash flow statement, which classify cash flows during the period from operating, investing and financial activities. Accounting Standard 6 Depreciation Accounting. The Accounting Standard 6 deals with depreciation accounting and applies to all appropriate asset aspect of following item to which special consideration apply. First, forest plantation and similar regenerative natural resources. Second, wasting asset including expenditure on the exploration for an extraction of mineral oil, natural gas and similar non-regenerative resources. 3. Expenditure on research and development. Accounting Standard 9 Revenue Recognition. The standard deals with the basis of recognition of revenue in the statement of profit and loss of an enterprise. The standard is concerned with the recognition of revenue arising in the course of the ordinary activities of the enterprise from first, sale of goods, second, rendering of services and third, interest, royalty and dividends. Accounting Standard 10 Accounting for Fixed Asset. Accounting for fixed asset is to be provide guideline for the valuation and disclosure of certain information relation to fixed asset owned by an enterprise in its books of accounts. Definitions. The following terms are used in the statement with the meaning specified. First, fixed asset, fair market value, gross book value, etc. Thank you.